Hi, my name is Peter. I'm going to talk about creating your account on Systeme. So let's get started. First, head over to the site here and click on the Get My Free Account and pops in your email address here. So you have to write it and click on the button. Once you've done that, you go to your email, check in your box for a confirmation email. It will be pretty easy to spot. So you can see there's a link in this email. So click on this, set your password, and you are in. Now you will land on your dashboard. You will see that, and it's fresh, clean slate. It's ready for you to get to work. Before anything else, Systeme will ask you to complete your profile so you can start receiving payments. Just to fill in the usual stuff: your display name, first and last name, country address, city, and phone number. Once that's all set, you will be ready to dive in. So that's all my video. Hope this helps, and see you next time. Bye.